Strong hand, weak hand is definitely a weakness of mine. I'm just at 7 yards. I don't think I had 10 in the second round, the second mag, I'm not sure. So we got 2 on the line, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So technically they're all in, but this is shifted way left, so we'll have to clean up my trigger press. Actually, I shot a little better offhand, probably because I was focused a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there was only 9 in there. So this is actually a better group than my strong hand, but I'm going to reshoot that and just make sure I'm pressing straight back. Some of these, my sights were a little high, but I still pressed because I knew it would hit the circle. But I'm going to try to shoot a tighter group. So there's 10 in the right circle, 9 in the left from my last string. So new shots that aren't marked: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're still on limb, but I'm still way left. So that's just trigger press. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're all in again. I'm at 7 yards. I'm not shooting particularly fast, but all in. This is actually still a better group, much better with my support hand than with my strong hand. So we just got to work on this trigger press and clean that up a little bit. That's why we're here. From 7, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in. That's on the line, that counts. And then we have 1 out. So that is bad. And then these should be moved over a little bit. So it's just the same issue, just not pulling the trigger straight back to the rear. I have to be able to shoot at least that fast in a match and still be accurate. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So same thing here. 9 in, 1 of those on the line, then 1 out. This is just not being visually patient, where my front sight is lifting and I'm not waiting for it to come back down the notch before I fire another round. But again, my weak hand is actually more centered up than my strong hand. Back to work. I think this is our 4th string of 10. So we got 1 on the line there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not good. That means I missed 3. No good. And then I think I've reached the point where I'm shooting too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 cuts the line, 6, and these are visual patients. 1 more in here. So visual patients, of course. Oh, there's 1 more here. My trigger press isn't good, but I'm also not being patient. So you can see with my left hand, my offhand, I'm a little high and right. My strong hand, I'm way left. So these need, I can be okay with most of these, they just need to be centered. These just need to come left a little more. Anything up top is visual patience. We have one, that might be two. We'll come back to that. 2, 3, 4. Now this target's starting to get chewed up a bit. 5, that's the second one there. 6, 7, 8, there's another one there. 9, I think that's 2 there. That's a big hole. So we're all in a little bit better, but we're still left. 1, second one here. 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's not marked. 6, 7. That's 8. Shit. 9. I'm not sure if there's another one in there or not. Target's kind of fucked up now, but that last group actually was my best because I shifted that over a little bit and I didn't have as many as high. Same thing here, was more here, but still a few flyers up and down, so we're making some progress. Still having some left issues, and I'm actually focusing on that trigger, so I need to go back to dry fire and refine my shit. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I had any flyers. Again, this target is so chewed up now, I can't tell if there's some extra ones in there. And then, this was actually a better group. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then, I don't know, again, we're going to say we're in. I don't think I had any blatant ones that were just off the paper, especially not from 7 yards. Still consistently left. There's no way I can count them. And the rest are in here. This is pretty chewed up. So we're coming a little farther right, but we still have some work to do. Then I see some sprinkled in here. Another one there, another one there. Too hard to count, but again, we're starting to come a little more center. This group was always better than my strong hand for whatever reason. So we just got to move this one a little more left and move this one a little more right, and then we'll be all right. So we'll keep repping. Give me the 14 when it's 14, we kill 14, what you know about AR-15, the class 16, making us start speed.